In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Acuity Scheduling. This connection will enable you to streamline your payment processing, making it easier for both you and your clients to manage transactions seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or someone just starting to expand, understanding how to integrate these two platforms will enhance your workflow. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Acuity Scheduling account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're in, head straight to your account dashboard. This is where you'll find the nexus for all your business settings, including your payment options. From your account dashboard, navigate over to the Business Settings menu. You're looking for the section labeled Payment Settings. This section is crucial because it's where you'll set up various payment processors to handle transactions for appointments, services, or products. Inside the Payment Processors section, you will see an option to connect with Stripe. Selecting this option will start the integration process. Now, at this point, you'll be redirected to Stripe's website. Don't be alarmed, this is a normal part of the process. You'll need to log into your existing Stripe account, so be prepared with your Stripe credentials. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you might want to pause here and set one up. Once logged in, Stripe will prompt you through a series of on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. During this authorization phase, you'll need to verify some important details such as your business information and banking details. Don't rush through this part. Ensuring accuracy here is essential for smooth and secure transactions in the future. It's all about safeguarding your business and client payments. After completing these verification steps, the connection process will wrap up. You'll be redirected back to your Acuity Scheduling account as the final step. When you land back in Acuity Scheduling, you should see a confirmation indicating that your Stripe account is now linked successfully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've seamlessly integrated Stripe with Acuity Scheduling, setting the stage for efficient and reliable payment processing. Take a moment to test the setup by perhaps booking a test appointment or service through Acuity to see the integration in action. This connection opens up new opportunities to streamline your operations and provide better experiences for your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.